Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create an endless horizontal scroll slide effect in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and as you can see, I have imported my photos to this project, and I'm going to add one of the photo to the timeline. And after that, we're going to put keyframe to our photo or video. We can go to the keyframe button right here, and for the beginning I'm going to move it to the right like this. Oops. Okay, and I'm going to add keyframe, and then I'm going to place this pointer right here, and I'm going to move it to the left until it's completely disappear from the frame. Okay, and then we're going to copy this photo. I'm going to use Control C and Control V. Okay, you can copy it to any amount you want. I'm just going to copy it 4 times according to my photos. Wait guys. Okay, and we're going to replace the photo. I'm going to replace it with it. Okay, tap on the photo you want to replace and just drag the photo to replace it. Okay, and now it's done guys, and I'm going to adjust the position. I'm going to make it as an overlay like this. You can adjust the appearance. Wait, I'm going to move it. Okay. Right, and you can adjust it frame by frame guys. Okay, and I'm going to take a look at the final result. Let's take a look what we have. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create an endless horizontal scroll slide effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.